Meet the cheese. This is Nugget. Hi, Nugget. Say hello, Nugget. And here's Nico. Hi, Nico. We're going to do some tricks. They are my 5-month and 4.5-month cheese. Nico is black. He is 5 months. And he's a little bit more agile than Nugget, so we're going to see if he'll perform on camera. All right, Nico, sit. Good. Nico, down. Nugget's in the way, as usual. Nugget, down. Good girl. So Nugget's gonna have a cameo performance in this, I see. Nico, stand up. Nope, stand all the way up. Stand all the way up. Good boy, Nico. Here you go. Nugget, down. Good girl. Paw. Paw. Good girl. Good paw, Nugget. Good girl. Nico, sit. Nico, paw. Good paw. Good paw. Yes, good boy. Very good. Very good, buddy. And a little treat. But it's fine. Good boy. Okay, Nugget. Paw. Nugget. No. Paw. Good girl. Paw. Nugget uses her mouth a lot. So, she's not as precise. Alright, Nico. Showtime. Good boy. Down. Good. Roll over. Stop. Roll over. Yes! Very nice, buddy. Very nice. Way to perform. Very nice. Nugget doesn't know roll over yet. It's kind of a forced roll over. Paw. 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 Good girl. Okay, Nugget. Stand up. Come on. Nugget stand up is more of a jump. But Nico stand up is more precise. Okay, there you go. Here you go. Alright, Nico. Good boy. Excellent! Very nice. Okay, good. Nugget, sit. Come on. Hover. Do it. Ow! Good girl. We're working on Nugget's begging stance. Nico, sit. Yes. Excellent. Good job, buddy. Good job, buddy. Okay, down. Good girl. Alright, here next. There you go. There you go. Come on. No. What was that? That's not what I wanted. Yes. Very nice, buddy. Very nice. Good boy. Paw, Nugget. Paw. Good. Nico. Do it. Come on, do it. Nope. Come on, do it. Very good. Very nice.